Am I the only one who's had a dead USB port in their CRV? Trust me, you're not alone. Let's get it working again, fast. First, check if the problem is just your cable or device. Try using a different USB cable or plug your device into another car port. Still not working? Let's move on. Next, locate the fuse box. In most CRVs, it's under the dashboard near your left foot. Check your owner's manual to find the exact fuse for the USB port. Pull the fuse out using the tool in the fuse box cover. If the metal inside the fuse looks burned or broken, it needs replacing. Replace it with a new fuse that has the same number on it. Push the new fuse in, and you're done with this step. Now turn your car back on and test the USB port. Still not working? The issue might be deeper, like a loose wire or a faulty port. In that case, you might need help from a mechanic. But most of the time, a new fuse or cable fixes it. So next time your CRV's USB port stops working, you'll know just what to do. Simple, right? Good luck.